The first major overhaul of the nail salon industry in the United States, New York State is cracking down on salons after a recent New York Times expose revealed widespread wage exploitation and dangerous working conditions. And as CCTV correspondent Leland Tan reports, an investigation could trigger change nationwide.
On this main street in Flushing, New York, just a half-hour's drive from Manhattan, nail salon owners are bracing for change.
Business owners have been feeling targeted, emotional, and vilified. So we want to make sure that they have an opportunity to take ownership of the issue and put forward policies or programs that can help the nail salon industry become better.
The issue began with a series of New York Times articles on the hidden costs of cheap manicures, bargain prices that mask wages said to be as low as $1.50 per hour, if at all, and hazardous working conditions. It painted a picture of an industry dominated by Korean owners who hired immigrants, sometimes undocumented, and favored Koreans over Chinese, Hispanics, and other non-Asians. The expose was part of a 13-month-long investigation by New York Times journalist Sarah Maslin-Neer, published in 4 languages: English, Korean, Chinese, and Spanish.
When I came across the story, and then as I dug deeper and deeper and found how outrageous the exploitation was, I thought this story needs to be told. And it doesn't just need to be told for our readers, it needs to be told to the workers themselves.
In the wake of the expose, New York lawmakers have set up a multi-agency task force to investigate complaints, make sure workers are properly paid, and address chemical safety standards. This is more than just a New York story. Given the labor issues and the use of largely unregulated chemicals in the industry nationwide, it has also drawn the attention of the federal government. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says nail salon employees are exposed to hazardous chemicals linked to a range of health conditions. The law that governs cosmetic chemicals in the U.S., however, dates back to 1938. But that could soon change.
We're going to have the most stringent health regulations in the nation for our nail salons. And I think that what New York does, the rest of the country listens to.
Currently, the U.S. allows use of chemicals in nail products which are already being banned in the European Union and regulated in Australia. Leland Tan, CCTV, New York.